Hi guys, Christina here. Today on It Is a Keeper, I'm showing you how to make restaurant-style black beans. This easy Tex-Mex side dish is super simple and packed with incredible flavor. And these beans go perfectly with your favorite tacos, fajitas, enchiladas. You can even use them in burritos or salads. Now, before we get started, make sure you click on the red subscribe button below so you don't miss a single recipe. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. So let's get started in making these black beans. Okay, so the first thing we need to do to make these black beans is we need to get our onion cut up. So here I just have a yellow onion and I'm just going to give it a nice fine dice. So get it peeled and cut up. I have a tutorial on my channel on how to properly slice an onion, so make sure you check that out and you can find a quick and easy way to get a nice fine dice on your onions. It helps to have a real sharp knife when you are cutting up your onions. And now we're going to get started on our garlic. So the recipe calls for 2 cloves, but you can use more or less depending on your tastes. I like garlic a lot, so I'll probably use 2 or 3. So a good way to remove those skins is just put it under your knife and give it a press, and it should pop those skin right off the head of, or the clove of garlic. I have this neat little garlic press. It's kind of fun. I saw it, I had to try it, and I kind of like it. It's super easy to use. You just take the gadget and kind of press it over your clove of garlic, and the garlic literally just comes right up through those little holes, and it makes like little pearls of garlic. These beans are packed with so much flavor. I absolutely love them. They are such a great staple to have on hand. Like I said, you can use them in so many recipes. They're great as a side dish or mixed up in salads, anything really. So we have all of our prep done, our garlic and our onions chopped. Now we're gonna move over to the skillet and we are going to get everything cooking. Alrighty, so we have our skillet heating up over here. I'm just going to add a little bit of olive oil to the pan. And we're going to start with our onions. I'm going to take the onions that we chopped and just get those going. We want to get them nice and soft. We really don't want color on them. We just want them nice and soft. I'm going to add in the garlic, and you want to add that in at the last minute. Garlic does have a tendency to burn, so you really don't want to cook it that long, just for about 30 seconds or so until you start to smell it. Add 2 cans of black beans. I'm going to add the liquid and all. Get it all out. We're going to let these hang out in the pan and simmer a little bit, but we're also going to add some flavor. So I'm going to add a teaspoon of my homemade taco blend. I'll share the link to where you can get this recipe in the show notes below. It's a nice homemade blend. It doesn't have too much salt in it, so you don't have to worry about that. I'm also going to add a little bit of my house seasoning because there isn't much salt in the taco blend. I do want to make sure everything is seasoned well. So our big pot here of black beans is ready and they smell fantastic. So I'm just going to put a sprinkling of cilantro on top, just for some garnish. And you can even add a little bit of lime juice if you want, just to give it a little bit of a kick. It's entirely up to you. But let's go in and give these a taste. They smell so good. These have a nice little kick from the garlic in them, and that taco seasoning really kicks up the flavor. They're going to be perfect in your next burrito bowl, tacos, side dish to your enchiladas, whatever you're making. These Tex-Mex black beans should be on your menu. Thanks for watching. You can get the printable recipe in the video description below. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe so you don't miss a single thing. And check out the rest of my videos where you can find more of my favorite easy recipes and quick tips. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.